Okay, what I've got here is a Mountfield MT48Li grass trimmer, and it's one of these cordless machines, which means obviously you don't have to have a cord coming out and you don't have to fill it with petrol, and it's quite simple to use. You basically get your battery, it will give you 40 minutes trimming time, and it just slots in as easy as that. And you turn it round and it's quite easy to start. Basically all you do, put your hand there, press the trigger, pull that back, and there you are. Okay, but what is really good about this one is that it's got a lot of versatility. So the head can move like that. Okay. So you can adjust that to different angles, and also with this you can move that around as well. So it's super for different types of activity. Now for this one here, you can see a little wheel. You can actually use this for edging your lawns. So I'm just going to quickly demonstrate that. Yeah, unlike some other trimmers, what's really good about this machine as well is that you don't have to bump feed the line. It'll do it automatically. Once you switch it on, it feeds the line out so that you don't have to keep bumping the machine while you're using it. And the other thing it's got is this little wall guard. So if you're up against a wall, sometimes, you know, if you're too close to the wall, these start to break, but that'll keep some distance and also not damage the wall, particularly the one we're going to look at now.